Good morning, friends, family, and everybody for that matter. Meade County, we're awake. Hope you are. Thanks for tuning in and welcome back to the Eric and Tom Show. And we have our special guest back, Mr. Rodney, who, by the way, has pointed out the way we stand for the video. He wanted to point out that we're stair-stepping here. He likes this better. Now, Rodney, you keep ducking, buddy. You're messing me all up. So we're excited. We got Rodney back and we are ready to take this right out of the mold and actually go through the steps, the process, and everything of getting this where it needs to be. We're super excited. Rodney's blood pressure has been up all night, just stressing the guy out. But, I mean, everybody's with it. We're all excited and ready to get going. So let's get you back here and let's start getting this out the mold, getting it where it needs to be. So look, you all. We're back. We're back in the back room. I mean, Rodney is just ecstatic with what he is seeing. So we were sitting here talking, explaining to him what's going on. Let me get you tuned in. So we're going to bring you up to speed. But boy, that sucker is just banging right now. Just banging. So we are in love with what we're seeing. And like I was explaining to Rodney just a minute ago, when all this goes through the planer, it gets coved, shaped, routed, the whole nine. When that oil hits it, it's just gonna be magical. It is really gonna be just first class, top notch, no doubt. So we're super excited. We're gonna get started. We're gonna break this out of the mold. We're gonna walk you through everything. This is probably gonna be about 3 episodes, but we don't want to leave nothing out, and we definitely want you to see the finish, so don't go nowhere. Stay tuned. All right, so look, we're just going to pop it. It's just, yep, it's that little one right there. Squeeze that bottom. There you go. There we go. Now, these will come right off, as always, okay? And what's going to happen is, see how the resin came up on here?
Right.
So I told you, you never can tell. You always got to be prepared for everything. So that's why these guys are on here. I'm going to show you a quick way to get these guys off. All right, just take it down there right in the center. Just like that. Okay? Feel that.
Nothing.
It's like we never had nothing on it. Okay?
Wow.
If we didn't have that tape on there, though, you would have had to saw this off, no doubt. Okay? Just a couple little taps there, just like that.
Well, at least you use an open.
Bam.
Marvelous.
Bam. Now, this is the easiest way that you could possibly get this hardcore mold out here. Or out the mold, actually. So, what you want to do, you should be able to tape and pry. Because, again, the tape, it ain't going to let it hold. All you want to do is hear that. You may not get it everywhere. If you don't, that's okay. As long as we get a side to work with. Right where that happened, check this out. Don't cut into your resin, but take these snips, just like that. Okay? We're going to come on down here, stay a little above that resin, just like that. And I'm going to take this boy, and I'm going to start doing that with him and relieve some of that pressure. This is all you got to keep doing.
All the way around.
Yep. This is going to relieve the sides. We'll work on the back here momentarily. Now be careful, that is a metal pan.
Yeah.
Obviously, that'll cut the crap out of your hand. Now that we got those, we need this to break away a little bit. So Tom, what we'll do, just for video's sake here, we'll get this to where it's near coming out, and then we'll bring them right back and we'll show them this is all we're doing. All right, so look, we've got it, all the way around. I just wanted to show you this last part. We're using a little cat paw, 2 little ends on it right there. Stick it in there backwards away from the resin so you can push against it. That's going to pull that out. Then you can take your snips and walk that right down without cutting into that block. Now that we've got it like this, oh, Rodney, we missed a corner, bud.
You missed a corner.
I did miss a corner.
I didn't miss it. You did.
Don't pry just yet. Don't pry just yet. There you go. That way it'll get down in there. There we go.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so the more we can relieve all that, the better. Now we're going to sit here like this. We're going to get up under this guy. You just got to be delicate. That's the whole key. That's why we got 2 bars. So we don't put all the pressure in one spot.
It's coming.
Get underneath now. There we go. Hey, Rodney. We got a cake, brother. Me and Tom call this baking a cake.
It's baked.
Yeah, it is baked. It is ready. This sucker is going to be banging. See how that just looks flat blue? Wait till we're done. Look at that guy. All right, so let's go perfect this guy. Rodney's waiting over here. All right, so take a good look. It's getting ready to go through the planer. It's going to be walked down in the grit. It's going to be routed. It's going to be beautiful.